Manipur State Kabadi Association MSKA gi Mityeng Makhada Standard Library Cum Youth Organization SLYO tekcham na sinduna ngasidagi Thoubal District ki tekcham mayai laikai Community Hall da Yangkhaini thoi suba Junior Boys Manipur Kabadi Championship English ingani kuntaruk haudokre. Championship asi Manipur gi tongan mafam dagi lakpa team tara humdoina sarukyaduna tha asigi tang mga fauba chathagadabani hairi. Kabadi Championship haudokpagi thawram aduda Khangabok AC gi MLA Okram Surja Kumar, Manipur State Kabadi Association MSKA gi President Ningthauzam Lokendro Singh, YK College Wangjing gi Associate Professor Langpok Lakpam Sanahal Singh, Khongjom Standard English School gi Retired Principal Langpok Lakpam Syamananda, Social Worker National Awardee KSH Priyobata, Thoubal District Private School Development Council gi former President B. Surchandra Sharma, Manipur State Kabadi Association ki Chairman A. Jiten Singh, Hanagi Langathil Jilla Parishad ki Member Soibam Kulabidhu amadi Actor Hamom Sadanandana mathang sitna athoiba mithung Thawramapu amadi akhanaba mithung sing oiki.